How to delete downloaded songs on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, choose any playlist and tap on it. Here, tap on the three dots as shown. Then, tap on Download. The playlist is now being downloaded. Now, go back to the home page. Go to the top left corner and tap on Your Profile. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, look for the Storage option and tap on it. Here, you can see how much storage is available and also how much space it is taking up. Now, tap on Remove All Downloads as shown. Tap on Remove to confirm. Your current downloaded content will no longer be available on this device when offline. You have now successfully removed all of the Spotify content you have downloaded for offline use. Following these steps, you can easily delete your downloaded songs on Spotify.